Welcome to South Fort Myers High School, the premier comprehensive high school in Southwest Florida. Please take your time today to meet with our teachers, meet with our students, and explore all the opportunities that we have here at South Fort Myers High School. We are proud to have you as a member of the Wolfpack, and we look forward to your continued success. Thank you, and have a powerful Wolfpack Day.
Good evening. I am Miss Deming. I am an assistant principal here at South Fort Myers High School, and we are so happy that you are here tonight. I just wanted to go over a few things when you walked in. Hopefully you received a few materials, including the map. This is super important. We have the whole building open, but only particular rooms open. So anything that is highlighted in black or has a red frame is open for you to enjoy. Every room has a hands-on activity or students in there working away so you can see what South is all about. We hope you choose us as your school of choice.
Hello, my name is Taylor Locke, and I'm the Assistant Principal of Curriculum here at South Fort Myers High School, and we are so excited to have you at our Choice Open House. We cannot wait to meet you and interact with you. I wanted to share about our South card. You should have received one of these when you walked in the door tonight, and the South card is like a bingo card, and it lists 25 different departments or athletics or activities that we have on campus that we would love for you to visit. And so as you visit these different areas tonight, they will stamp your South card. And if you get 5 in a row, either horizontally, diagonally, or vertically, you can turn this back in to the welcome table for a treat. Also on the back of this South card, you'll see a list of all the different ways that you can be involved at our school, from different clubs that we have, to societies, to athletics, and so on and so forth. So we hope that you will take the time to peruse all of the different offerings we have at our amazing school, and we look forward to having you choose South as your top choice. Have a great night.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mike Steele. I'm an assistant principal here at South Fort Myers High School. I have an opportunity tonight to kind of discuss very quickly, very briefly, the tours that we take while we're here on campus. We absolutely do offer tours. We do ask that parents call in ahead of time, perhaps, to schedule for the tours. In fact, tonight we can probably do the same thing, schedule some tours. But Mrs. Lincoln Hall is the person that normally does the tours, or if we really are in good company, then Mr. Matthews will do the tours themselves. But there are plenty of opportunities to come in and see everything that we have to offer here at the school. We have an open door policy. We welcome people coming in, checking out the academies and everything that we've got going on at school. I think you'll find us to be a very hospitable place to go to school and have a great time and really explore some opportunities for your future. With that, go Wolfpack.
Hello everyone, I am Alan Woodard. I'm the Athletic Director here at South Fort Myers High. Please make sure you stop by our athletic table. If you have a kid that's interested in playing sports, we have a variety of sports from football, basketball, soccer, swimming, golf. We've added 2 new sports, which is beach volleyball and girls flag football. So any and all information you have about any of the sports we have, please stop by the athletic table and we'll answer your questions.
Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Mrs. Edwards. I'm the assistant principal here at South Fort Myers, one of them. I am actually going to be your 9th grade assistant principal, so I'm super excited to see you and meet you today. If you can, come around, find me. I'll be in the hallways. I'd love to introduce myself, and I'd love for you to introduce yourself to me. What I want to also talk to you about is you just got some information about your map. Make sure you visit every level. One of the things that I'm super proud to talk to you about is the avenues that we have here at school. It's not just the case of you have to choose this or that. You actually get an and option. We have things like our JFG and our certification programs. Things like nursing, vet tech, right? Anything you might be interested in, along with automotive, welding, lots of options. But you could also choose that as well as our ACE program. So you don't have to give anything up. It's just something that you can choose from. So take a look, go downstairs. I want you to also visit upstairs. If you have any questions, stop anybody in the hallway, but make sure to talk to those teachers and even some of our students. Thanks for stopping by.
Welcome. I am Mrs. Belloras, the ACE coordinator here at South. Are you planning to go to college? Or you may be interested in earning college credit while you're in high school. Please come visit me in room 168 for more information.
AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. AVID is an in-school academic support program for all students. The purpose of the program is to prepare students for life after high school. Whether you choose the college path or the career path, AVIT is a program that helps all students to achieve success. Some of the things that you will learn in AVIT is time management, prioritizing, choosing which career you may like, choosing which college you may want to attend. Remember, if you feel like you need academic support, then choose AVIT. AVIT is for you.
Thank you, families, for coming out tonight. I know that you've worked long and hard today, and coming out tonight was an added chore onto your schedule, but we hope that you enjoyed it, and in fact, we hope that you're excited about it, because we're excited to have you, and we're excited to have your child here at South Fort Myers High School. We are excited for their current success, but more importantly, we are excited for their continued success here at South Fort Myers High School and their pathway for success that they will learn, explore, and walk after graduation.